Hi everyone. Welcome to the Big Bobber, an absolute powerhouse brought to life by Bündnerbike. Buckle up for the ride of a lifetime with its roaring 1,923 cubic centimeters V2 engine packing an impressive 128 horsepower. For many Harley-Davidson enthusiasts, the pursuit of more horsepower is a quest that never ends. And when it comes to enhancing power and torque, engine tuning becomes the go-to choice. There's an array of options available. From mechanical tuning to chip adjustments and the addition of various components, all aiming to optimize that engine performance. However, pushing the boundaries of engine performance isn't just about beefing up the power. It's a delicate balance that factors in engine durability, exhaust regulations, and noise control. As emissions standards tighten, the art of tuning becomes a complex puzzle for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Here at Bündnerbike, we're committed to delivering not just power but precision. Our engine tuning isn't just a tweak, it's a meticulously measured transformation. We put every tuned Harley-Davidson through its paces on our test bench, meticulously gauging and reporting the performance upgrades achieved. Hop on board and dive into the world of high-performance tuning, where every extra horsepower isn't just a number, it's an adrenaline-inducing experience waiting to be unleashed. Thanks for watching.